please come with me, accompany with me, and let us see the flood affected area or the cyclone affected area. He never said so. And in Bengal, he never visited for that purpose. He just landed when he was coming from Odisha. Digha is adjacent there. So they came Kalaikunda, that is the airport. So from there he can go to Delhi. And there he said he wants to meet PM to CM. After that everything you know. And when I meet him, and details I have already said. I met him along with my Chief Secretary. At that time, I requested him that because of my earlier program Preoccupied, I have to visit some disaster area affected areas. So please allow me and my CS to visit the Digha because the weather is not good. So we have to go early with your kind permission. Thrice I mentioned this. But after that, I am shocked to see whatever I replied, you have seen that. The reply was very properly done, that you cannot take one-sided unilateral decision, even for a topmost number one bureaucrats in the state. आप सबसे ज़्यादा चीफ सेक्रेटरी जो बड़ा ब्यूरोक्रेट होता है उसको आप जस्ट बुला के लेते हैं. It never happens within these 74 years of our history. अब ये शर्म का बात है. Even I am really sorry to see that अभी जस्टिस तो नहीं हुआ. Purpose of extension was COVID and cyclone. They did not mention in the letter for what reason they want that Alapan Bandyopadhyay CS will join Government of India. What purpose? What is the reason? That they did not mention. They only mentioned the rule, one rule they quoted, 6 clause 1. That rule said that center and state detailed consultation should be there. But no detailed consultation is there. But it is just reverse. प्रतिशोधमूलक आचरण एवं प्रतिशोधमूलक आचरण ये है कि इतना निर्दय, इतना निर्मम प्राइम मिनिस्टर मैंने नहीं देखा, होम मिनिस्टर मैंने नहीं देखा, जो ममता को खिलाफ में है. इसी के लिए उसको चीफ सेक्रेटरी पर उसको ब्यूरोक्रेट्स को भी अटैक करने पड़ता है. दिस इज टू मच. नाउ the attempt is, instead of giving the state consultation, the jurisdiction of the state, give importance to federal structure, they have added injury to the Government of India, especially. They have no consultation with the state government. ये just reverse हो गया. Prior consultation 0 था. Detailed consultation नहीं हुआ. Rule 6 clause 1, one prior consultation is there, but you have not done that also. You have added to insult injury. कंसल्टेशन का बदल में ये रिवर्स हो गया है. नो कंसल्टेशन, नथिंग, नो रीजन, नथिंग. ओनली पॉलिटिकल वेंडेटा वर्क्स. व्हाई? यू डोंट लाइक ममता बनर्जी, दैट्स व्हाई. व्हाई? यू आर डिफीटेड, दैट्स व्हाई. व्हाई? यू नो दैट यू आर नोवेयर इन बंगाल, दैट्स व्हाई. डू यू थिंक दैट दे शुड नॉट रिस्पेक्ट द पीपुल्स मैंडेट? आफ्टर माई टेकिंग ओथ, विद इन ए डे they have got to saying violence, violence, violence. I have not seen any violence. There must be some evidence. They have filed some writ petition for president rule. We came to know from the media. They have gone to National Human Rights Commission, they sent National Human Rights Commission, they sent central team, not for the purpose of COVID, but for the purpose of political vendetta, to save the BJP from their inner fightings. And now, I'm sorry, the purpose of extension of services for 3 months from 1st June 2021 of Sri Alapan Bandyopadhyay was in public interest to fight COVID-19 pandemic and impact of recent cyclone. Based on it, central government agreed to give extension on 24th May 2021. After the aerial visit of the PM on 28th May, the central government asked the state government to relieve Sri Bandyopadhyay to enable him to join on 31st May 2021 at 10 a.m. at New Delhi. Central state government doesn't know the cause even, the reason even. State government did not agree to relieve him on 31st May 2021 as the purpose for which his extension was given still persists. CM West Bengal has written detailed letter to Prime Minister as to why he cannot be relieved.